Hey folks, looking at this small tree and we want to identify it. If it has opposite branch arrangement like this, we know that it has to be one of just a few trees. It's either a maple, an ash, which this is an ash, a dogwood, or a horse chestnut. Those are the only trees that have opposite branch arrangement. And what we have right here, again, opposite branch arrangement. And this tree made the premier baseball bats of years gone by. Today, they're mostly used in sugar maple, and of course, maple still has opposite branch arrangement. But the maple bats are a lot more brittle, and these are the prime bats. But they've died out because of an insect called the emerald ash borer. It's an insect that came from Asia, came over in wooden pallets through the port of Detroit, Michigan, and the larva of the insect will actually get under the bark and eat the cambium layer and destroy the trees. The majority of our older ash trees have died from the emerald ash borer. It's a shame. Not only have we lost the premier tree for baseball bats and for any type of wood that can be shock absorbent, such as hammer handles, etc. But the Native Americans, the medicine men, and many of them were medicine women, used the leaves of this plant in aiding childbirth. They claimed that making a tea from the leaves of the white ash would not only speed childbirth, but it would also relieve the pain of childbirth. Now, we've lost a lot of the meaning of the medicinal plants that are growing in North America, but this plant right here, if it becomes extinct because of the emerald ash borer and we lose all of the ash trees, we may never know if this plant in fact has chemicals in it that will help with childbirth. And if we lose the DNA, we've lost perhaps the cure for cancer, diabetes, rheumatism, or cancer. And that's the reason why we do not want to lose any of our species of plants and animals. God gave each one of these plants to us for our use. It could be used for food, for medicine, religious purposes, but God gave these plants as gifts to us so that we would survive and live happily, just as he gave his son Jesus to us so that we may have eternal life. Hey, this is Samoz. Subscribe to my channel. Learn more about the creations that God has given us. Thank you.